I mentioned before, this friend of mine that hanged himself. So I saw his brother earlier, and man, that brokenness, that like you can give some of it to me or something, you know? It's a very, very selfish thing. Like, although I do think like you should have the option, like, you know, if you're like 90, cancer riddled and stuff, you know, like, I think you can be entitled to that. So I watched like another thing that someone posted like this about the Epstein. Oh my god, I can, you know, like the Epstein files, and that this guy had it in the background, like about this, all the stuff Trump did with little girls and whatnot. And you see stuff like that thing of Prince Andrew, where he's like hands 4 feet, what do you call it, like above this girl. So I play old PC games, so I don't really mess with computers lately, like for years. But you used to get a thing that's called a GAN validator. So it validates that there's AI in it instead of devalidating it, you know, so that you can like adjust it or whatever. But I think people is in need of that. I think people should stop polluting their souls like with what they watch and eat. You know, like being also like a sensitive person, you know, you read that stuff and it has like a effect on you. It feels like so bloody disgusting. It feels like it burns your soul or something before you come to the realization that this is all potentially fake, you know. See, like Israel kicked the Israelis out, or the Israelis kicked the South Africans out. Ugh, South Africa. And it doesn't seem to go very well, you know. So if you watch like a video and it's in Russian, and in the past, like I have proven that wrong, like where they show a video of Putin talking and then a voiceover. And if you don't actually can hear it and know Russian, or you saw the original thing, the only thing you can do is moan about it in the comments or report that channel. That doesn't, none of that stuff works, you know. Or start your own channel and nobody will ever know it. And that thing has gone through to hundreds of thousands of people. We've got a tremendous problem. Like it became absolutely useless, you know, to even like science related stuff. A lot of these AI generated channels do like a fake podcast, or you know, where it goes through something. It's quite amazing sometimes, but it's usually about very old experiments and things, like publicized stuff. But we've got a big problem. the thing of talking with your real name and real face, even as a reporter, is you are obligated to apologize, like Trump had to apologize to King Charles, what I mentioned. So, and you don't know